Good afternoon, friends. The topic for today's lecturate is cybercrime. Now, have you ever been tricked by clicking a link, and then have you seen that your account was compromised and your account balance was, transformed to nil? That was possibly a cybercrime against you. Now, who are these people who commit such crimes? Actually, these are called black hat hackers. In modern day, we call them black hat hackers. Perhaps they are the ones who commit the crimes, and those who protect us against those very crimes are called white hat hackers, or also called ethical hackers. Now, what exactly is the definition for cybercrime? See, whenever a person uses his computer, laptop, or smartphone, or in modern or scientific way, we call that IP address. When he uses his IP address to commit a crime such as stealing your personal data or harming you or making you fear from any sort of damage or some hindrances in your pathway, then that particular thing is called cybercrime. So if we further go deep into the topic, then we can say that it can be classified into various topics. Like cybercrime can be financial, it can be privacy related, it can be even cyber terrorism, and it can also be related to terror financing as well. So all of these things come under cybercrime. Now, how can we say that something related to financial is a cybercrime? We can say that a lot of data is stolen of people related to their bank accounts, their credit cards and debit cards. That is used to steal the or take away their financial monetary data, what we call as our money. Okay, so if our data related to our debit cards and credit card is compromised, that comes under financial cybercrime. And privacy related this cybercrime is such that if any person steals our privacy data, that is some photos or some messages of our family members which we don't need, that any other person should read, that is called privacy cybercrime. And further if we go, then if any person uses the computer, laptop or IP address to finance the terror or in any way try to harm us, that comes under cyber terrorism. Now, how can we fight against such things? Firstly, India is bringing a privacy personal data protection bill, which is currently in parliament to be passed as a bill, and that will help us to maintain our privacy and also keep us safe from getting our data stolen or compromised. And further, there are some cyber cyber tools or cyber police which help us from those cyber crimes. So basically these ethical hackers are the ones who protect us against cyber crimes. And what can we do on ourselves to keep us away from cyber crimes is we can be scientific. We shouldn't click on such links which are provided to us saying that it will give us lots of money. That is something that pertains to be foolishness. And further, we can refrain from going on websites which are not authorized, which are not properly secured. These are some things we should keep in mind while browsing or creating some data. That is all we need to know. Thank you.